Welcome back to the Buttercup Bakery Food Safety Induction and Refresher Training. This is part 7, where we will be covering food allergens. In South Africa, allergies are very common. People can be allergic to a range of different substances such as pets, pollens, grasses, insects, or food. As a food handler, it is important that you have an understanding of food allergies and food intolerances. When you complete this topic, you will be able to explain the difference between food allergies and food intolerances, symptoms of allergic reactions, symptoms of food intolerances, food handler responsibilities for customers with food allergies or intolerances, and what a food recall is. You will also be able to describe the serious outcomes of an allergic reaction, some of the more common foods that cause allergic reactions, and what you must do when there is a food recall. Food allergens. An allergy is an overreaction by the body's immune system to a normally harmless substance. Food is a common cause of allergic reactions, which are becoming more common in South Africa. The allergic reaction to food is caused by a protein in the food that the immune system mistakenly believes is harmful. A food intolerance is easily confused with a food allergy, but they are different because food intolerances do not involve the immune system, are slower in onset, and are not life-threatening. Symptoms of allergic reactions. For some people, eating a food with an allergen present, or even having their skin come in contact with the allergen, is enough to cause an allergic reaction. The allergen can cause their immune system to overreact, causing symptoms that affect their breathing, stomach, gut, skin, heart, and blood pressure. Common symptoms are swelling of the lips, face, and eyes, hives, tingling of the mouth, noisy or difficulty in breathing, cough, difficulty talking, dizziness, and collapse. Symptoms may be mild to severe. They may occur almost immediately after eating, or most often within 20 minutes to 2 hours after eating. Severe reactions, caused anaphylaxis, are life-threatening and can result in death. Food intolerance symptoms. Symptoms like headaches, bloating, vomiting, and diarrhea are often common. People can feel seriously unwell, but they do not die from the intolerance. A food intolerance is often due to the natural chemicals found in foods. The most common foods to cause a reaction for people with a food intolerance are foods containing glutamate, amines, and salicylates. For example, amines can be found in pineapples, bananas, vegetables, red wine, chocolate, citrus fruits, and mature cheese. Salicylates can be found in some herbs, spices, fruit and vegetables. And glutamate can be found in tomatoes, soy sauce, mushrooms, and some cheeses. Food allergens. There are 11 food allergens that you must be able to advise customers of if they ask if they are present in the food you sell. They are cereals containing gluten and their products, namely wheat, rye, barley, oats, and spelt. Shellfish, crustaceans and their products. Egg and egg products. Fish and fish products. Milk and milk products. That would be dairy, including cheese. Peanuts and peanut products. Tree nuts and tree nut products. This does not include coconuts. Sesame seeds and sesame seed products. Soybean and soybean products. Added sulfites in concentrations of 10 milligrams per kilogram or more. And lupin products. Buttercup Bakery declares all the allergens present in their products on their labels. Allergens that are present in the bakery are gluten, egg, dairy, and sesame seeds. Some of our products also have soya and sulfites in them, but these are part of compound ingredients. Food handler responsibilities. As a food handler, the law requires that you know what is in the food you are preparing, because some ingredients may cause an allergic reaction or illness in the person who eats it. Do be absolutely sure you understand what allergens are present in Buttercup Bakery. Ensure that you produce products in the recommended order by following the allergen matrix. Wash and sanitize your hands, all equipment, and food contact surfaces when you finish working with an allergen. Use specific color-coded utensils when working with specific allergens, for example, eggs. And always ask your manager if you don't know or are unsure. Remember, it is extremely important to use clean and sanitized or separate utensils, work surfaces, and equipment when producing products with an allergen. Even the smallest amount of the allergen on surfaces can cause cross-contamination and an allergic reaction. Cooking and heating do not destroy allergens in food. Food recall. Food recalls occur because a food has been found to be unsafe. This could be due to contamination by microorganisms, chemicals, physical hazards, or undeclared allergens. Food products are required by law to list all of the ingredients they contain on the label. Sometimes an ingredient is missing from the label, which will cause harm to people consuming it who have a food allergy or intolerance. This missing information is called an undeclared allergen. Recalls and your responsibilities. Your workplace may be notified that a particular raw material is unsafe and has been recalled. It is a legal requirement to remove that raw material from use and dispose of it as advised by the supplier and in accordance with your supervisor or manager's instructions. Steps to take. Act immediately by checking to see if you have the recalled food item. Take the recalled food item off the shelf, isolate it, and clearly mark it not for use. Ensure all staff members are aware of the food recall. Follow the instructions of your supervisor or manager. That completes part 7, food allergens. You are now ready to participate in the assessment. Good luck.